I have trouble starting the day sometimes in the morning, and apparently so does my car. So I'll just show you that there's no way this thing's gonna cold start. So I could keep going until the battery goes flat. I know, I've tried. I have to normally use jumper cables and just keep trying and trying for a few minutes until it does. I've had a better idea, you know, because I've lived in some cold places, and electric blankets seem to warm me up in the morning or at night. So let's see how that does for the car, because it will start once it's warm. So let's just warm it up before it starts. Currently it's on about between 11 and 10 degrees roughly. Let's come back in about half an hour, shall we? Alright, it's been half an hour. Let's see what's up under the bonnet. "13 degrees. Let's see what happens when I try and start it. I was expecting a bigger jump in temperature, frankly. Experiment failed. Well, it's not a failed experiment. You learn something. You learn that you cannot heat your engine up with an electric blanket, at least not in half an hour. Not enough to turn the car on. So, back to the jumper cables. I will have the issue fixed, but right now I'm renovating a house, so I just don't have the time to take the car to the mechanic. But looks like back to the drawing board.